Can you build apps from municipal data? Sure you can. Yahoo's hiring for a new data center in New York State, and mobile financial apps just continue to grow. I'm Mark Pfeffer, and this is the Dice News Update for Friday, October 8th, 2010. Cities like Washington, D.C. are making large amounts of their municipal data available for free. For developers, this is an opportunity to create apps for things like 311 calls, bike maps, crime data, even parking spaces. So, for example, you could combine real estate information with trending crime data. A home buyer could use that to determine the safety of an area before they make an offer on a house. Now, when I say app, you might be thinking mobile device, but a lot of this work is being delivered to desktops using open source data. The mayor of Baltimore has proposed a similar initiative. Residents there have suggested providing street camera streams, traffic apps, pothole apps, even tracking the price of crabs in local restaurants. Whatever's useful. Yahoo's going to hire more than 125 people at its new green data center in Lockport, New York. That's near Buffalo. The facility is also going to house one of the company's 2 global data operations centers. They monitor the company's web services, and until recently that was a chore that was done in Bangalore. Yahoo sees the facility as a model to spread functions like this into towns and cities around the United States. And it's unlikely this type of service is going to be offshored because data centers have to be within 1,500 miles of their users. So that's another reason to look at data centers as a fairly stable sector of IT. Okay, mobile banking. It's one of the biggest advances in financial services, and it's an area that's only going to grow. That means more jobs in IT and business analysis as financial firms race to out-app each other. How big is the sector? Well, in 2009, almost half of the top 50 U.S. financial institutions offered some kind of mobile service. J.P. Morgan Chase, for example, lets its customers make mobile deposits. Now, you'll probably have more opportunities if you're interested in this at software providers or service providers. Larger banks might use consultants and some mixture of its staff. Security is obviously a really big area here, so if you have some experience in that, you'll probably have a leg up. That's it for this week. Kat Miller will be back on Wednesday, of course, with another edition of DiceTV, and I'll be back on Friday. Until then, I'm Mark Pfeffer, Managing Editor of Dice News, and we now return you to your regular desktop.